Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you won't believe that this is a 5 weeks old polygel set and my client is back for a refill. This particular client, nails usually don't last long because she has eaten her nails so much. So if she does acrylics or stick-on, okay, she does acrylics, it doesn't last long. She usually doesn't like doing stick-ons. I advised her to do stick-on because her nail braids are short so that the nails will grow out. But she said she doesn't like stick-on. So I decided to introduce polygel to her. And that's what she has been doing. And ever since she has switched to polygel, her nails has been lasting for a very long time. Now I'm taking off the old gel polish. I'm going to be filing the polygel down a little bit so I can add the new one because we are doing an infill. So I don't think I'll be talking too much in this or for too long in this video. I'd like you to just sit back, relax and enjoy this tutorial, this polygel infill tutorial. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademidu Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what is on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And when you're subscribing, you can turn on the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I'm going to be taking you through the process of doing my polygel infill. I don't know if this is the right method, but this is the method that I use because I'm a self-taught nail technician. So I just do methods that I've gathered from over the years. So this is how I do my polygel infill. If you think there are other methods of doing this, kindly let me know in the comment section or point me to the video. I'm going to be watching a video to learn. Because honestly, I learn every day on this app. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my contents, and for those of you that just recently subscribed to my channel, thank you for deciding to join my family.
They call me him no waiting I do it make I'm not over me. Fine girls and plenty but he leave them and he chose me. Him say I see be no other girl fit overthrow me. I no go do you gonna hey you my true lover whether winter or summer baby me no go freak out I know you like Nkechi Jollof. I know you like my beans, You like my beans. I know that she giving you fufu. You put them for my soup. Baby, what you gonna do? Yeah. Listen, no time for tumbum. Umaka de jumbum. Forget your jumbum. No time for tumbum. Umaka de jumbum. Oh yeah, now tumbum. No time for tumbum. Tig bag. All because of Ileke. Share your baby know where you day so. Johnny leave me follow Cynthia, and I don't know what to do. And he talk say I no do like the way Cynthia they do. Johnny give Uche belle. He talk say he want marry nene. Walk him kedi feneme. Johnny Mo, baby you go love him, your love is sweet like tangerine. Baby you go hug him, your love is sweet like baby I go love you, your love is sweet like tangerine. Baby I go hug you, your love is sweet like. Listen, alle, start the tangele, tupa. Come on. I love you, no be mouth, oh. No be mouth, oh, eh. Love no be for mouth, oh, no be mouth, oh, eh. I dey hear the sound of a tambourine, no. Talking drum and shakere combination. I'm taking. Oh no, I'm taking. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I'm looking for my journey. Maka say tumbum, where is my journey? Wombo lombo. Say your baby know where you day so, where you day so. See baby, come on, see baby, all because of. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, they call me. Him no know waiting I do way make I'm not over me. Fine girls and plenty, but he leave them and he chose me. Him say I see be no other girl fit overthrow me. I no go do you gonna. Hey, you my true lover. Whether winter or summer. Baby, me no go freak out. I know you like Nkechi Jollof. I know you like my beans, eh? You like my beans. I know that she giving you fufu. You put them for my soup. Baby, what you gonna do? Yeah. Listen, no time for tumbum. Umaka de jumbum. Forget your jumbum. No time for tumbum. Umaka de jumbum. Oh yeah, now tumbum. No time for tumbum. Tig bag. All because of Ileke. Say your baby know where you day so. Johnny leave me follow Cynthia, and I don't know what to do. And he talk say I no do like the way Cynthia they do. Johnny give Uche belle. He talk say he want marry nene. Walk him kedi feneme. Johnny Mo, baby you go love him, your love is sweet like tangerine. Baby you go hug him, your love is sweet like baby I go love you, your love is sweet like tangerine. Baby I go hug you, your love is sweet like. Listen, allele, start the tangele, tupa, come on. I love you, no be mouth, eh. Love no be for mouth, no be mouth, eh. I dey hear the sound of a tambourine, no. Talking drum and shakere combination. I'm taking. Oh no, I'm taking. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I'm looking for my journey. Maka say tumbum, where is my journey? Wombo lombo. Say your baby know where you day so. See baby, come on, see baby, all because of. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, the treasure I've been waiting for. Do you know how much I really need you? I did pray for the day when I can finally kiss you. But you know, say every day I did pray for you. In my heart, so there's a permanent place for you. And that's why my heart did beat like because now you I go choose, oh I your family, your family. I sing for you on the beat line. Because now you I go pick, oh I your family, your family. Listen, oh baby, oh. When this lockdown is over, I will run 1,000 miles, fly around the world just to get to you. Game on to you. We will walk down the aisle, you and me and you are bubble one, baby moon, I give a life, yeah. But you know, say every day I dey pray for you. Every day I dey pray in my heart, oh there's a permanent place for you. And that's why my heart they do me like because now you I go choose, oh I your family, your family. I sing for you on the beat line. Hey, because now you I go pick, oh I your family, your family. When I get baby, you and me for life. One baby, yeah. I your family, your my sweet potato, my jollof rice, yeah. I love you, I love you, I love you, yeah. I your family, your family. Yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. If you really enjoyed it, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. It's red and flashing. Looking at you, you have to click it right now. If you want to see more amazing content from me, don't forget to click the notification bell to get notified when the new video comes out. For now, we have 2 amazing videos you can watch right now. Go ahead and look at
First, let me say to you, I cannot wait to see you. You are the treasure I've been waiting for. Do you know how much I really need you? I did pray for the day when I can finally kiss you. But you know, say every day I did pray for you. In my heart, so there's a permanent place for you. And that's why my heart they beat like because now you I go choose, oh I your family, your family. I sing for you on the beat line. Because now you I go pick, oh I your family, your family. Listen, oh baby, oh. When this lockdown is over, I will run 1,000 miles, fly around the world just to get to you. Game on to you. We will walk down the aisle, you and me and you are bubble one, baby moon, I give a life, yeah. But you know, say every day I dey pray for you. Every day I dey pray in my heart, oh there's a permanent place for you. And that's why my heart they do me like because now you I go choose, oh I your family, your family. I sing for you on the beat line. Hey, because now you I go pick, oh I your family, your family. When I get baby, you and me for life. One baby, yeah. I your family, my sweet potato, my jollof rice, yeah. I love you, I love you, I love you, yeah. I your family, your family. Yeah. Biggie waist, fine face, 10 days, I done the wait for you, my charge. For you, my charge. You want a form, no case, I no go talk, Scarface for you, my charge. For you, my charge. Said take me anywhere you want to go. Show me everything I wanna know. No lie, no lie. I said run 'em anyhow you want to run. Shake 'em, baby girl, you fire past your gun, no doubt. No doubt. But you say, kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money, so what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money, so what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Yeah, all the quite risky. You know I go 50-50. Yes, your body risky. Risky, yes, your body risky. Hey, kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money, so what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money, so what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Risky, yes, your body risky. You know I'm going 50-50. Risky, yes, your body risky. Me know I go 50-50, risky, yes, your body risky. Me know I go 50-50, risky, yes, your body risky. Biggie waist, fine face, 10 days, I done the wait for you, my charge. For you, my charge.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Till next time, bye.